Okay guys, I'm going to change the brake fluid reservoir in this, because I have a spare. Because the other one, the one that's fitted, if you can see, am I pointing in the right direction? No, there it is. It's actually got a bit brittle and it's cracked. So I've had this for a while, and I've actually got the dashboard out at the moment. So this is the perfect time to do it. I mean, if you're changing it, you'll probably have the dashboard in, but you can reach it by removing the clocks, and there's a cover at the back you take off first. But it's quite a bit more awkward, I'd say. But this is what you see with the dashboard. This is removed. This is what you'll be playing with in underneath the dash. Okay. So here it is. You're going to want a load of rags. I've got this little vacuum pump tool. Just draws a vacuum, puts it in the pot to empty it, or you could just go and back off one of the brake nipples on either the caliper or on the rear brakes and bleed it out that way. If you can get some out, you don't want to. It'd be better to, because you don't want this stuff all over your paint. It's nasty stuff. It chews up paint. So let's see if we can get it apart. Oh, we need a pot to put all the stuff in as well. So this is a little filter gauze thing. Oh, it comes out easier than that. There you go. So that'll have a bit of fluid in because it's very fine gauze. Right, let's try pumping some stuff out. Out what I can. I'm never going to get everything out of that back tube. Plenty of rags around there. If you didn't know, the actual the hydraulic clutch is fed from this reservoir, which is a little tube on this side, which you can't see. Right. Oop. Let me look at this. Let's chuck that in there. Right, so old rags, you're not going to want to use these rags after either, so make sure they're old ones that you can chuck away. Right, let's try pulling that hose off the side. There it is. There. See that little hose there? That's the one that goes to the clutch. Take that up out of the way. Right, now this is we're going to make a bit of a mess. Let's put some rags around here. It comes off alright. I had a look at the rubbers on this and they look okay. You can get new rubbers if you want that go to the master cylinder. You want it nice and clean as well. Let's see if we can get it. Ooh, you're right there. I don't know if it'll pop out or I'll have to leave it here. Oh, it's going. That's the back, or the front one or back one, depending on how you look at it. We'll have to leave it up. Is it going? Don't want to go. It is going. Ooh. There it goes. Straight at the pot. Soak up the mess. Let's make sure it's all cleaned up. Don't want any debris in there or anything. Right, here's the new one. It's got a filter and everything. I've already pre-cleaned it. Just going to put a tiny bit of brake fluid on these, just to lube them up. Put that on, little hose for the clutch. And that's it. Just to clear up, and then Bob's your uncle. Just obviously you've got to fill it full of fluid, and give the brakes a bit of a bleed just to make sure there's no air in it. It shouldn't be, because there's always fluid on the top of this, but it wouldn't hurt anyway. Okay, cheers then.